Other AI features include cry and laugh detection, which recognize your baby's cries and laughter and alerts you. Turn on auto recording under Settings, then AI settings. Once enabled, Tiny Traveler will automatically record and save each detected event. Automatic recording length is based on your loop recording settings, which you can find under Settings, Monitor Settings, and then Loop Record. Adjust to 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Help soothe your baby's cries by also enabling a calming audio found under Cry Detection. Once enabled and a cry is detected, the camera will automatically play one of the lullabies of your choice. You can also choose to manually turn on a gentle nightlight glow for extra comfort. If you still need help, our customer support team is here for you. You can contact us anytime at info@mytinytraveler.com.